What is the smallest bone in the human body? Option A, femur. Option B, stapes. Option C, radius. Option D, patella. The answer is stapes. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Option A, cerebrum. Option B, brainstem. Option C, cerebellum. Option D, hippocampus. The answer is cerebellum. What is the largest internal organ in the human body? Option A, stomach. Option B, brain. Option C, liver. Option D, lungs. The answer is liver. What part of the eye controls how much light enters? Option A, retina. Option B, iris. Option C, cornea. Option D, pupil. The answer is iris. Which part of the body produces insulin? Option A, liver. Option B, pancreas. Option C, kidneys. Option D, gallbladder. The answer is pancreas. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.